Assalamu alaikum and welcome again to ChadNass TV. I'm so happy to talk to you now today. As I promised you in my previous video, I'm going to devote a video concerning prefixes and suffixes to finish our lesson concerning this lesson. And today I'm going to talk about prefixes and suffixes, especially about adjective forming suffixes. We know that there are some, to form an adjective, we need suffixes. And we know that suffixes are a group of letters that we add at the end of the word to form this adjective, okay? For example, we can start from a noun and move to an adjective. For example, generosity, it's a noun. We need an adjective, we say generous, okay? So, here, as you may see here, we have a group of suffixes, or some suffixes needed to form adjectives. In Arabic, here, نحن واحد اللواحق بالعربية اللي كيكونوا كنستعملوهم آخر الكلمة باش نديرو صفة اسم صفة اوكي صفة كنوصفوا واحد الشيء او شخص ما كنقولوا هذا الشخص كي داير يعني كنحتاجوا واحد اسم صفة. اذا عندنا واحد المجموعة ديال اللواحق اللي غندرسوهم ان شاء الله اليوم. So, but first of all, what is an adjective? نسولوا نفسنا بعدا what is an adjective? So an adjective normally the adjective qualifies what? A noun. Okay, this is very important to know. The adjective qualifies a noun. For example, we can say that this man or the man has what? Has a lot of hope. Okay? So the man has a lot of hope. هذا الشخص هذا عنده كثير من الأمل. Okay? So we need an adjective. We can say it becomes the man is what? Hope. It's a noun. We need an adjective. So is hopeful. As you may see here, we have used, this is an adjective, hopeful is an adjective. So we add hope, a noun, plus full. And full is a suffix. So we're going to study now in details these suffixes that form these adjectives. Let's begin with able. Able. So able here, we can say able. So as a word, for example, we can say predictable. Okay, predictable or acceptable. Acceptable. Okay. So notice the use of able here. So in English, this suffix is normally attached or attached to a word which has a meaning. في الانجليزية عندنا هذا اللاحق يعني كنربطوه مع الكلمة اللي كتكون عندها كلمة قائمة predict and accept. So the word accept has a meaning, so we add able, which is the opposite of able. Able. This able is another suffix. So we can say, for example, terrible. Terrible. So the word here, has no meaning. So we add I-B-L-E. So it becomes terrible because the root is not a complete word. So we add able to a root, a complete root. يعني فاش كتكون عندنا كلمة قائمة بذاتها كندير هذا able a. فاش كتكون هذه الكلمة ما عندهاش معنى كنديروه بالإي. So added to non-complete root. Okay. So we move on to L, for example, with L. Yes. With L, for example, physical. We have musical, for example. These are some words or some adjectives formed with this O. Now we move to full. Here, full. Sorry. Yes, let's write it with this one, with red. Sorry for this. Full, what does mean full as an adjective? Normally, we can form many adjectives, meaning adjective with this suffix. For example, we can say hopeful. For example, helpful. So the meaning of this, the meaning of this full. Look at the suffix. Full means full of. Full of. بمعنى هاد فاش كنديرو full كتعني شخص ما عنده كثير من هاد الصفة هذه. الصفة كيمتاز بها الشخص نقولو hopeful. hope هو الأمل. اوكي. إذا فاش كنقولو شخص ما عنده أمل كثير كنقولو hopeful. عنده help هي مساعدة. شخص ما كيساعد بزاف كيحب المساعدة كنقولو له helpful. يعني من لو سيفيكس كنعرفو كيعطينا ديجا معنى على الصفة اللي كان. غادي نجيو هنا غادي نلقاو العكس less. For example, we can say homeless or jobless. So understand that this less is the opposite. It means without. sans. يعني العكس نتاع full فاش كنديرو less يعني بدون. إذا غادي نجيو نقولو homeless. home سي هو المأوى. كنقولو شخص ما بدون مأوى إذا نقولو homeless. job كنعرفو job هو العمل. شخص ما عندوش بدون عمل كنقولو jobless. And then we move to OUS. OUS, for example, you can say generous, for example. We can add many other ambitious. So these kind of words this kind of adjectives are formed with this suffix OUS. إذا المجموعة ديال هذه الكلمات كنكونوهم بهذا OUS. أوكي. إذا IVE. Okay. IVE, for example, with IVE, for example, creative, for example, creative, inventive, for example, look, here we have IVE and V. So let's move now to ED. ED, sorry, I will clean this part. Okay, to finish, we have ED. We have ED. For example, we can say determinate or fascinated. Look, we have ED and ED. We know that ED in English is used with irregular verbs, but here it is also used with adjectives. كنعرفوا بعد ED كنديروه في أفعال في لو باسي في لي فيرب ريغوليي. اوكي. مي كنديرو هاد لا ميم شوز كنديرو هاد ED باش كنفورمي صفة adjectives. اوكي. Now المعنى ديال ED we use ED okay to talk about emotions. Talk about emotions. So we say I am determined, I am fascinated. كنت كنديرو ED adjective ED كيعني فاش كنتكلموا على الاحاسيس ديالنا كيفاش كنحسوا حنا. يعني I am bored, I am fascinated. Okay. So, and the opposite is ing. So, we can say fascinating. Fascinating. شوفوا معايا نفس هنا fascinated بإيدي فاش كنقول I am fascinated يعني je suis fasciné يعني أنا يعني أنا مستمتع fasciné يعني je suis مستمتع بهذا fasciné اوكي مستمتع بهذا الشيء كنتكلم على كيفاش كنحس مي fascinating ب ing فوقاش كنديرو ب ing فاش كنقول when you describe an activity or a place فاش كنديرو ب ing فاش كنقولوا this place is fascinating هذا المكان ممتع رائع this place is boring يعني ممل اذا ادي فاش كنتكلم على الاحاسيس نتاعي و ب ing فاش كنوصف مكان ما او محل ما so I'm so thankful to you and thanks for watching and see you in my next video inshallah and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Wish you a nice day.